Hello everyone, this is Abhinav and you are watching True Techie. So this video is a kind of tutorial in which we are going to fix the pink line issue on S7 Edge display. Most of the users are facing this problem and I did lots of experiment on this and found a very easy method to fix this line. So in this video I am going to guide you and show you how to fix this issue. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So I also have an S7 Edge and in this phone I am getting a pink line on the right hand side, and which is very annoying when you are using the phone. So to fix this problem you just need a hairdryer, a star type screwdriver and 2 or 3 guitar picks and just few skills. But you can do it easily at your home. So first of all you have to heat the back panel with the help of hairdryer or heat gun at least for 3 to 4 minutes. Then use a sharp edge tool, or you can use a guitar pick or a piece of plastic which can be inserted at any of the corner. Then heat it again at the same place and try to move the guitar pick or whatever you are using at that time. After removing the back panel you just need a star screwdriver to open all the screws. Then there are 3 parts: a speaker section, a wireless section, and other one is a cover on motherboard. These all will move out easily after removing all the screws. Then you just need to remove all the connection from motherboard and pick out the motherboard from the main chassis. Now in the main chassis you will see the rectangular cutting where you will see a minor gap in which you can insert a piece of plastic or a piece of cardboard or paper which is at least of half mm thickness. Then you have to cut it as per its size and try to insert it. When you are inserting the piece, you will hear a sound like katak. After inserting the piece or plastic, you have to cut it extra part from the help of scissor or cutter. Then reassemble the phone, like you have to put the motherboard, fix all the connections, fix all the screw, and then start it. After restarting the phone, there is no pink line. The reason behind this, there is a flex which is fixed with the help of glue, and due to overheating issue or maybe due to drop, it loses and the pink line arises on the screen. If you found any issue after doing this, you just have to ask me in comment section, or you can contact me on Instagram abhi_truetechie. If you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So we'll meet in next video. So goodbye.